Hello, children. Let's begin with chapter number 3, that's In Search of Inner Talents. Again, we have some brainstorming questions which you people have to answer yourself, like whatever correct option you feel, yes, no, or don't know, you can put a tick on that option. Then you have to give your views on two quotes, like your talent is God's gift to you, and what you do with it is your gift back to God. And the second one is doing easily what others find difficult is a talent, but doing what is impossible with that talent, it is genius. Okay, next page. Talent, that's a gift of God. So basically, talent is your inborn quality which helps you to achieve great things in your life. It also makes you courageous to do wonders, but also in the whole world, not in your life, but also in the whole world. Now, your talents and abilities are your precious gifts from God, who is the creator of this universe. They are only hidden in you. So, your task is that you have to recognize your gifts and bring them out in perfection. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Now, we have a very interesting story of a burglar. This is a story of Ron Leflore, who was a very expert burglar, and even the police used to find it very difficult to catch him because he used to use very good techniques, and the way he used to work, it confused everybody. And he used to say that stealing is my specialty and my talent. So, unfortunately, the police caught him once, like at the age of 19. He was sentenced for 5 years of imprisonment. So, he had already spent 3 years for various crimes in the years before that. And one day he was doing push-ups just to keep himself warm and to tire himself so that he could sleep properly at night. But that was the turning point in his life. He noticed that the body muscles started developing, and he gradually increased his exercises. Then he also knew that the baseball players, like all those who were in the prison and they used to play baseball, they received very good treatment. So he also started playing baseball just to protect himself from the rash treatment in the jail by the officials. And when he started doing it, he started using the speed, strength, intelligence, and he started playing the game very well. His success in the jail helped him to do better and better. And then he decided to bring an end to all his bad habits because he realized that they were a threat to his physical health as well as to his life. Then, after he was released from the jail, he signed a contract with professional baseball team, and then he broke his own record at American baseball, which helped him to reach a position that was the identification of his inner talents. Now you have to write about the title of the story, that In Search of Inner Talents, how that title is apt and meaningful. So please write in your own words. Now we'll talk about humane talents. There are different kinds of talents like intellectual, cultural, physical, and humane. We all are very well aware of the first three, that's intellectual, cultural, and physical. But the last one, that is humane talent, it is based on love, sharing, and concern. The one who is able to cultivate these healthy relationships and friendship is equally talented, like the one who scores 99% in exam. So the one who extends a helping hand to the needy is not less talented than the one who's singing melodiously. So individuals who are born to perform their task with dedication and responsibility are similarly gifted like an artist. Then it is said that we should not compare one person with the other person because everyone is a unique creation of God and we all have our own talents. So we should not judge others like one is superior or the other one is inferior. And we should remember that we have some quality which others don't have, and that is what makes us special and unique in the world. We should not waste our time and energy worrying about what we don't have. Rather, we should be happy about what we have and we should concentrate on developing it. Then we have four celebrities here: Sachin Tendulkar, Steven Spielberg, Charlie Chaplin, and Bill Gates. So we have to search some data like how these people developed their talents, and with their hard work and determination they reached what they are in their life at higher goals. Then there are questions: what are the different kinds of talents? Just now we have read intellectual, humane, these are some talents. And to compare a person with another person, is it a crime? Yes, it is a crime, because just now we have read it here on this top page, top part of the page, that every person is a unique creation of God with different talents, and we should not compare, because whatever we have, the other person may not be having that. So children, with this we finish this chapter. Thank you.